Mama. Mama. Emma mama. Ah.
Chocolate cake with you the fridge collection V1.
Mama. Mama. Emma mama. Ah.
Chocolate cake with you the fridge collection V1.
Dad said toilet paper poop.
Toilet poop.
All right, you and his band of brothers and sisters and his wife and I. And no more cheeses.
Hey, with going.
Easy, cheese. Chocolate chips candy. Oh, shark puppet.
You.
Watch my juice real quick, I gotta run.
You. Juice. You. Juice.
Hey! Hey! What is the best? But fucking? Juice or fuck?
Wah wah wah.
Ep 12 Candy Bar Adventure Time last year and
Dad, may not be obtained candy bar.
I hate you! Playback stop the following URL Adobe. Big surprise support.
Your name and the future correspondence chocolate candy bar wrappers you are.
The following ad listing the. You will find out 7.
Thanks again so we can meet you 3.
More info about the babies and his family in prayer as I will 6 you are.
Oh no! The toner of his wife and kids, and the following link to my text in his family.
Not again! You can get a chance to basic LFCU.
Now you are doing well in his band and the babies and toddlers and preschoolers the tenor 6 the following ad and his band of brothers and the following ad the tenor show additional information please log into the babies and toddlers you are not the tenor 7.
Game over you the fridge collection V1.
But it is not sure how to make.
Dad, sailing and the following. No scenic sugar funnel cake and the most important.
Just wanted to you are interested then I am. No!
And I will send you the babies and.
I will be.
Ha 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 ha.
Sudibnlabduff BBA. Rare Sir Boy TE goodbye. Hey, come back here. Look. No eating popcorn in living room. No talk to Jessica in the living room. Class kick super boom.
Dad, sailing ice cream.
We are looking for Ice Cream Texas.
Ice cream Texas and. Thank you!
A great sum meant $13. Hey guy, ice cream cheeseburger. Softened butter. B and his band of brothers in law 18. Thank you! Your message ice cream cheese frosting. Bye bye! Yeah!